Welcome to this video. In this video we will learn SAP System Architecture. What is R3 architecture? SAP System uses a three-tier architecture, which separates the presentation layer, application layer, and database layer into different physical components, making it easier to maintain and scale the system. This architecture also provides a high level of security, as each layer is protected and the data is only accessible through the application layer. Presentation layer. This layer provides the user interface and the interaction between the user and the system. Application layer. This layer provides the functionality of the system and is responsible for processing the business transactions and data. Database layer. This layer stores the data and information required for the system to function. How SAP System processes user requests. The SAP system through the SAP GUI and initiate a request. It is received by the presentation layer of the SAP system. Application layer performs an authorization check to ensure that the user has necessary permissions to access the requested functionality. The application layer retrieves the necessary data from the database layer. When the request has been processed, the database layer is updated with the new data. In the SAP system, the client is responsible for presenting the user interface, collecting user input, and sending requests to the server. The server, on the other hand, is responsible for processing the requests, accessing and manipulating data stored in the database, and returning the results to the client. SAP Gateway is a critical component of the SAP System Architecture that enables integration with other systems and devices, providing a secure and efficient way to access SAP data and functionality. What is Dispatcher? The dispatcher in the SAP system is a component of the application layer that is responsible for distributing incoming requests to the appropriate servers. Dispatcher determines which server should handle the request based on a number of factors, such as the availability of the server and the load on the system. What is the meaning of work processes? Work process is a component of the application layer that performs specific tasks and functions. Work processes are responsible for processing requests from clients, accessing data in the database, and returning results to the client. Dialog step. The processing which happens between two screens using work process and dispatcher is called dialog step. Thank you for watching this video.